Novitec, renowned for its bespoke tuning and enhancement packages, has unveiled the N-Largo kit for the Ferrari 296 GTB, elevating the already impressive supercar to a level that competes with the world's most formidable hypercars. This latest modification package not only enhances the Ferrari 296's visual appeal but also boosts its performance, making it a standout in the high-performance automotive arena. The Novitec N-Largo kit is designed to transform the Ferrari 296 GTB into a more aggressive and dynamic vehicle, both in terms of aesthetics and performance. The visual enhancements are striking, with the kit introducing a range of aerodynamic and styling modifications that give the 296 GTB a more menacing and refined appearance. Key features of the N-Largo package include an extended front bumper with larger air intakes, redesigned side skirts, and a more pronounced rear diffuser. These elements not only enhance the car's aggressive stance but also contribute to improved aerodynamic performance, helping to reduce drag and increase downforce. One of the most noticeable changes brought about by the N-Largo kit is the widened bodywork. The Ferrari 296 GTB's wheel arches have been expanded to accommodate larger, high-performance wheels, giving the car a more planted and muscular look. The new wheels, which are available in a range of finishes, are complemented by a lower, more aggressive stance achieved through Novitec's revised suspension setup. This combination of wider bodywork and lowered suspension enhances the vehicle's handling and cornering capabilities, making it even more exhilarating to drive. Under the hood, the N-Largo kit brings significant performance enhancements to the Ferrari 296 GTB. The standard 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine is tuned to deliver even more power, with Novitec's modifications increasing the output to a staggering 750 horsepower. This substantial boost in power is achieved through a combination of engine recalibration, upgraded turbochargers, and a high-performance exhaust system. The result is a Ferrari 296 GTB that offers blistering acceleration and top-end performance, placing it in direct competition with some of the most high-performing hypercars on the market. In addition to the power increase, the Novitec N-Largo kit also includes a range of performance enhancements designed to improve the driving experience. The upgraded suspension system features adjustable components that allow for precise tuning of ride height and handling characteristics. This ensures that the car maintains its agility and responsiveness while delivering a more connected and engaging driving experience. The performance brakes, which feature larger, carbon ceramic discs, provide enhanced stopping power and durability, ensuring that the vehicle can handle the increased performance capabilities. Inside the cabin, the Novitec N-Largo kit continues the theme of luxury and exclusivity. The interior features bespoke materials and finishes, including premium leather, alcantara, and custom carbon fiber accents. The cockpit is designed to enhance the driving experience, with supportive sport seats, a revised steering wheel, and additional driver-focused controls. The attention to detail in the interior reflects Novitec's commitment to delivering a high-quality, bespoke driving environment that complements the car's performance enhancements. The introduction of the N-Largo kit for the Ferrari 296 GTB underscores Novitec's reputation for pushing the boundaries of automotive performance and design. By transforming the Ferrari 296 GTB into a hypercar contender, Novitec has demonstrated its ability to take an already exceptional vehicle and elevate it to new heights. The combination of aggressive styling, increased performance, and bespoke luxury makes the N-Largo kit a compelling option for enthusiasts seeking a unique and high-performing supercar. In conclusion, the Novitec N-Largo kit represents a significant enhancement for the Ferrari 296 GTB, transforming it into a hypercar rival with its striking design and formidable performance capabilities. With its widened bodywork, increased power, and bespoke interior, the N-Largo kit adds a new dimension to the Ferrari 296 GTB, making it a standout choice for those seeking an unparalleled driving experience. As Novitec continues to push the limits of automotive tuning, the N-Largo kit exemplifies the brand's commitment to excellence and innovation in the world of high-performance vehicles.